Hi everybody. In this video I will discuss the subject data structure and the topics is stack and the subtopics is infix to postfix conversion with a suitable example. Let us consider the example. We know this infix mean the operator is placed in between two operands. This is the operand 1 and this is the operand 2 and this is the operator. So this is the infix. So this is the infix expression. We need to convert it to postfix. Postfix means the operator is placed after the two operand. This is the operand 1, this is the operand 2, this is the operand 1, this is operand 2 and this is operator. Postfix means operator is after the two operands. So this is the postfix and this is the infix. We need to convert this infix expression to postfix by stack. So there is an algorithm through which we can convert infix to postfix. Let us consider the example how stack is used to implement infix to postfix. Suppose this is the expression a plus b into c minus d divided by e plus f. Suppose this is the infix expression. We need to convert it into postfix. Why it is infix? Because operator is placed in between two operands, a plus b, b into c, c minus d, d divided by e plus f. So before I am going to convert infix to postfix, we have to know some certain rules. The rule is, the first one is scan from left to right, This is the first rule, scan from left to right. Second one is the priority of bracket is first. If there is a bracket in the expression, then we need to perform it before any other operation. Number 3, the exponential, this is the symbol of exponential or this is the same symbol, the exponential symbol. The operation of exponential is the priority of the operation of exponential is the next rule. First of all, scan from left to right, then the task of bracket is performed, then exponential or dollar, that is the same symbol, arrow or dollar is the same symbol, that is exponential. Fourth rule is into division, the priority of into division is then the plus and minus, and always operation is to be performed from left to right. If there is a plus in the left and minus in the right, then we have to perform first of all plus, then minus. If there is a division first in the left hand side and then the into, then we have to perform division first, then into. Mean left to right. The priority of into and division is same. Priority of plus and minus is same. Now this is the expression. How to convert it into postfix? Let us consider the examples. First of all, the serial number. There is a serial number. Then symbol scan. Operation. Column is symbol scan. Next the stack and finally the postfix. Before I am going to calculate further procedure, before I am going to discuss the algorithm, before I am going to discuss the steps of the algorithm, there is a initial bracket in the stack and there is a initial bracket in the stack and there is a closing bracket after the expression. We need to put a closing bracket after the expression. Why this closing bracket is used? Because this bracket is indicate that the end of the expression. This bracket indicate the end of the expression. So this bracket is included after the infix and there is a opening bracket that is used for putting into the stack. So initially there is a opening bracket and there is a closing bracket after the expression according to the rule of the algorithm. The first one is serial number 1. Symbol A is scan. At a time we need to scan only one symbol. So A is the first symbol, so we need to scan A and put it into the postfix expression. Next, serial number 2. There is a plus. When operator is there, we need to put it into stack. So first of all, stack is there. That is, suppose this is a stack and bracket is initially at the first position. Now plus is there. Plus is the now next top element and there is a. Then number 3, B B goes to postfix. And next number 4, there is a into operation. There is a into operation, and the into is included into the stack. The priority of into is greater than plus, but there is a operand C is there. When C arrives, then the into operation will transfer to the postfix expression. So as the priority of into is greater than the plus, the into will move to the postfix after the C. Then when C arrives, then star is popped and goes to the postfix expression, as the priority of into is greater than the plus. Now the 6, serial number 6. C is now minus. There is a plus and minus. When minus is arrived, the priority of plus and minus are same. But as plus arrived first in the left hand side, then plus will be popped out from the stack. Then when minus enter, plus will be popped out. This ABC into plus. ABC into plus. Now the D is there. 7th is D. That is minus A into B into C, ABC into plus D. Then step number 8. There is a minus. We need to enter the minus into the stack until unless E arrived, because D divided by E. When E arrived, my division will pop out from the stack and goes to the postfix expression. And when there is a E, then division operation is transferred to the postfix. So division operation is transferred to postfix. Now there is a plus operator. When plus enter into the stack, as minus and plus are equal priority and minus is arrived before plus, so minus will popped out from the stack. Minus will popped out from the stack. AB stack. ABC into plus D. ABC into plus DE. Division minus. Next is F. Then the next operator is F. Then the next symbol is F. F means ABC. F goes to the postfix. Operand is always moved to the postfix expression. Operand is always moved to the postfix expression. Operator is always moved to the stack. This is the basic logic of the algorithm. Next one is, there is a bracket. This bracket indicates that all symbols are already scanned. So this is the end of the expression. It's the end of the expression. So if there is a closing bracket, then all the symbol, all the operators, then when there is a closing bracket, then all operators are popped out, including the first opening bracket. So there is a empty, and answer is ABC into plus DE, division minus F and plus. So this is the infix to postfix algorithm using stack. So in this video I have discussed the infix to postfix operation using stack. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.